Optimized strategy parameters is finance software for a specific operational decision. Adjusts trading strategy parameters in real time based on detected market regime changes. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that finance teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimized strategy parameters narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimized strategy parameters starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include market regime, volatility index, trend strength ADX, correlation strength, and base position size. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the optimized position size by adjusting the base position size based on market regime, volatility index, and risk appetite. Adjust the stop-loss level based on market regime, volatility index, base stop-loss, and the optimized position size. Calculate the risk-reward ratio by determining the take-profit level adjusted for market regime and trend strength, then dividing by the optimized stop-loss. Estimate the maximum drawdown based on optimized position size, volatility index, and correlation strength, and compute the confidence score in the current market regime classification using volatility index, trend strength, and correlation strength. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how finance teams actually make decisions. Optimized strategy parameters return structured outputs such as optimized position size, optimized stop-loss, risk-reward ratio, regime confidence, and risk-reward versus drawdown trade-off. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimized strategy parameters is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated finance work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.